Hello, we're going to change the battery on a 2016 Toyota Camry. Just going to need 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, because it's hard to fit in here, and this is not a deep well. If you have a deep well socket, it would work. With the wrench, will break free positive, and you'll be able to get this. You'll be able to get the mounting bracket nut off here. And then when you get it a little loose, you'll be able to take it off. Start with the negative. Take the negative off. Get the negative loose. Tight, so take the positive off. Take the battery bracket nut loose. You can get a deep well. I don't have one close by, so I'm just using my wrench. Bring this. Take this mounting bolt loose. It's off. Now this will just slide out all in one piece. Remove the battery. I got this new battery from Walmart. It's Walmart Everstart Max. It's a 24F for a 2016 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna take these protective caps off. That's where the positive goes and the negative goes. If you have one of these battery terminal cleaning tools, I like to just rough up the surface to get a good contact. I mean, it should be fine from the factory. So down there, so you want to stick the bracket under the battery handle. Down there is a hole in the frame. It goes in that hole right there. We'll tighten it up. Move this back over here. It's all 10mm. Pretty simple installation. This one seemed to be a little bit taller than my other battery, so I had to loosen up the nut a little bit. And the mounting nut for the bracket. Don't need to over tighten it, just needs to be firm, snug, where it doesn't move. There we go. You can see it's down there in. So if you have these, you can put these felt rings on, help with corrosion. And you have battery corrosion spray. It's preventative. Just spray it. Just helps with corrosion. Put the positive back on. Put that negative back on. The negative back on. 10mm. Snug up the 10. Once it's tight, if you have one of these plastic covers, put that back on. Just helps from anything sparking at the two touch. Tighten up the negative. These hot summer days will kill a battery, and that's what happened to this one, so good to go now. Back in business. Hope this video helps you out. Battery's installed. Thanks for watching.